Let's start with tuple functions and methods. Tuple methods. Let me show you the Len method first. Len method calculates the number of elements within a tuple. Let me create a tuple, say t equal to, within first bracket, say 23, 10, then minus 5, 67, 8, and 20. Now I want to calculate the number of elements within this tuple, or to count the number of elements within this tuple. So for that, let me write len within bracket t. So it will return the number of elements within the tuple t. This len function can be applied on string, list, tuple, and dictionary. Now next, max function. Max function finds out the maximum element within the tuple. Now if I write max of t, max method return the largest element within this tuple. Here it is 67. 67 is the largest element within this tuple. Next, min method. Min method returns the smallest element within the tuple. Now if I write min within bracket t and then press enter, so it will return the smallest element within the given tuple. So here it is minus 5. Next, index. It will return the index of the corresponding element. Now if I write t dot index within bracket, say 67, close the bracket and press enter. So it will return 3. Look, 23 is at the index 0. 10 is at index 1, minus 5 is at index 2, and 67 is in the index 3. So it is returning 3. Now if I write t dot index within brackets, say 100, 100 is not within this given tuple. So it will return an error that is called the value error. Index dot tuple within bracket x, x not in tuple. Next method is count. It will count the number of occurrence of an element within the tuple. Suppose I'm writing t dot count and as a parameter say I'm writing 10, and it will return 1 because there are only single 10, or in other words there are only one 10 within the tuple. If there are multiple 10s, so it will count the number of 10 and it will return the corresponding count. Next, the tuple constructor. Be careful, tuple first bracket open close is not a function. It is actually a constructor method that can be used to create tuple from different types of values. Using this tuple constructor, we can create empty tuple by using it. Let me show you. T equal to, if I write tuple first bracket open close, then press enter. If I print t, so it will return an empty tuple. Next, let me show you how to create a tuple from a list. So if I write t1 equal to, say tuple within first bracket, let me write down a list, say 1, 2, 3, third bracket close, first bracket close, then give enter. Now if I print t1, then it will return a tuple which contains 1, 2, 3, and these elements are enclosed within first bracket open and close. Now let me show you how to create tuple from a string. For that, let me write t2 equal to, say tuple within brackets, say let me write a string, say hello, hello, bracket close, then give enter. If I print t2, so it will create a tuple which contains each and every alphabet of hello word as an individual element of tuple. We can also create a tuple from keys of a dictionary. If you have a concept of dictionary, let me show you an example. Say t3 equal to tuple within bracket. Let me write down a dictionary. So dictionary is composed of key and value pair. So one is the key and this one written within quotes is the value. Next, let me write down another key value pair, say 2 colon within quotes, say 2. Now that's all. Press enter. Now if I print t3, so it will return all the keys, that is this one and this 2. These are the keys of this dictionary. So it will extract all the keys and display it as a tuple. As you can notice that Python has considered only the keys of the past dictionary to create tuple. But one thing that you must ensure is that the tuple can receive argument of sequence types only, that is either a string or a list or even a dictionary. Any other types of values will lead to an error. If I write t equal to tuple within bracket 1, so it will return an error. So type error int object is not iterable. So this is all for this video. Still, if you have any problem, write it down in the comment box. I will try to reply you back as soon as possible. Thank you.